Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Monday, January 6, 2025. So I got in, my flight was delayed today because of the snow in New Jersey, and it wasn't a lot, but it was nice enough to freeze the planes up, so I didn't even get in until close to 3:45. I'm still a little jet lagged right now, so I'm just going to make this kind of quick. Tomorrow, everything is back to normal, and I'm at my computer. I'm glad to be home, and let's get started. So remember when we were down here, and I said, either we're going to come up and take these lows out, and we're going to break this larger range right here, or the next stop's going to be somewhere up into the 60-50 area. And in the 2 days, we made it pretty close. We got up to the 60-22, and then from there we got some pullback. And really the main reason for the pullback was, hang on. Okay, so really the main reason for this pullback was we had the gap up, we were coming up, and this is just a 5-minute chart. You can see momentum started declining, and from there we had a pretty decent little drop. It was close to 82 points. So it was a nice move to the downside. You can see we made it to the support level, or almost came down to close the gap. This was really the one support right here. But we had buyers stepping in pretty close to the 200-day moving average. Now, when we look at the 15-minute chart, I was thinking that this divergence was going to play out and we were going to get some pullback, but this gap up, you can see, removed that divergence. But this pullback right here brought us into a new sell signal on this. Now, this could change, but the fact that we don't have any bearish divergences is kind of suggesting that we could get that move up to that 60-50. Now, if we start getting below this gap, then I'm going to start saying that there's a good chance that we made the top. And if that is the case, let's just say we did make the top, then it becomes a little dicey for the bulls, because what will happen is it will look like a descending triangle. So here you can see we made, the lows are pretty much right at each other. And if this is the top, you can see this is where we made a lower high. And really the way for this pattern to get triggered we'd have to take out these lows, because we may just be doing some retracing back and forth on it. So we don't have any bearish divergences on the 60-minute chart, but we didn't have any here, and we had that big drop anyway. So it's kind of one of these things that I'm not going to try to read into anything right now. We're at some support levels. If we end up breaking through these and breaking through the moving averages, and then they use that resistance, then I'm going to favor the short side. But if they hold and they go up, I'm still looking at this 60-50 as a potential upside target. Pretty overbought on the 60-minute chart, 15-minute chart. We burned off all of the overbought levels, and now we're into the oversold. So again, it's given us the clue that there's a chance that we could come up to the 60-50, but I'm really not going to try to guess. I know we have some important economic numbers coming out, and really what I want to do is just kind of wait and see how things go. And like I said, I don't really have any feel on the market today. I was basically at the airport from 10 o'clock in the morning, and I didn't get back to my house until 3:45. So I really don't have a whole lot right now. I'm going to say just stay open-minded, look at the targets that I've been talking about, and then tomorrow we'll have a better idea as far as what's going on. So with that, let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys